Hello and welcome everyone. If you are new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. If you are new, then subscribe to this channel because on this channel, I share ideas, insight, tools and tactics. So if you want to grow fast in your career within the software industry, then subscribe now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Can I work on Angular and Power Apps, which are two different domains? Will it affect my career? Is Microsoft Power Apps or Power Platform good? And what should be my career path if I learn Power Apps? See, Avinash, what you learn, first thing is what you learn. Now here you are saying you want to learn Angular, JavaScript, and Power Apps. I think Power Apps is something to do with Microsoft, so it must be the new version of Microsoft Visual Studio where you are able to build application quickly, just like Microsoft does it. Okay, Microsoft builds tools so that you can do rapid application development. Correct? So my assumption is that Microsoft Power Apps are for Azure Cloud. Angular JavaScript is for front-end development using JavaScript technology. When you are doing Angular JavaScript, you have to learn the entire stack, which is the mean stack, okay, which will include some kind of a database, either MongoDB or MySQL, Angular JavaScript for front end. Okay, E stands for Express JavaScript for backend programming, and then there is going to be Node JavaScript, which is the web server. Okay, so you will need to learn full stack development when you're talking about Angular JavaScript. You will need to learn for Power Apps, you will need to learn the .NET framework or Microsoft full stack development framework. Correct? Whatever is Microsoft's full stack development framework, that you will have to learn. What should be my career path if I learn Power Apps? Okay, Microsoft has a lot of clients. 30% of all projects that happen are developed on Microsoft technologies. Okay, 30%, which is a huge thing. Okay, so if you decide to go with Microsoft, it's a good thing, but I would suggest focus on one of them. If you focus on two of them, it's not going to help you a lot. Second thing, focus on the application you are developing. You may write the best code, you may be the best programmer in the world, but the application that you are building is not a good application. The application you are building is not usable by users. The application you are building is not easy to use. The application you are building does not serve any purpose or does not have any business value. Okay, if you build such application with the best programming in the world, it does not matter. Okay, what matters is how is the application. Coding is just the ingredients. If you are preparing a dish, okay, if you are preparing a dish, if you are preparing cake, you want to make a cheesecake, you're going to take cheese and you're going to take butter and you're going to take some chocolate and you're going to do whatever, take some flour and you're going to mix everything and you're going to make a cheesecake out of it. Whatever is the recipe of a cheesecake, but how the cheesecake was made is more important. How the final product is more important than what did you use. So whether you use Angular JavaScript or whether you use Power Apps has no value in real world. In real world, the value is the application that you built and how this application is helping the industry, business, user, whatever, for whatever reason you have made this application, how that application is working. There are people who will write an application just using HTML and simple JavaScript. They'll build a superb application and there'll be hundreds of people using that application with simple coding. Just think about WhatsApp. WhatsApp was just a simple chat application. started with just chat between two people, and then the group chat started, all these things. But it was a very simple, students were building WhatsApp like application in their college projects. Okay, but what WhatsApp did is WhatsApp built it and thought about everything, how the things is going to be stored, how the media is going to be downloaded, how people can join the groups, how people can leave the groups, all these different features of WhatsApp that they thought about, the design of WhatsApp, keeping it as simple as possible, all these things they thought about. That is the power of WhatsApp. Do you know what is the programming behind WhatsApp, what language? At least I don't know. Okay, so what programming language you learn has no meaning. How well you learn it and then how you're able to use it is very important. Okay, and if you want to know more about full stack development, then there are various videos on my channel about full stack development. If you really want to grow in your career, you can look at my program, How to Become A Players. This is very important for those people who are experienced but not getting salary hikes, to understand why you are not getting salary hikes. Thank you very much and see you on the next live.